At one point in the Netherlands, there were over 10,000 of these windmills grinding corn and pumping excess water from the lowlands. But that's not what you're here for. Hi, I'm Sean and I'm from JSJ Incorporated. And today I'm going to show you how to build one of these traditional Netherlands windmills. So here are all the pieces. You can just pause whenever if you're building this. You're going to start with the base. That's the base, and now we're going to, you can just substitute one of these for one of those, but now we're going to build the inside of the windmill, the foundation, not the foundation, the room, the control room. Now we're going to build the gear shaft where all the gears that connect to the windmill are. And now let's make the actual windmill part. And now you can put it together. Adjust that as you need to. Clip that on, and that is how you build your traditional windmill.
You have until a windmill stops spinning to subscribe. Hope you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. JSJ Incorporated.